Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today gonna share a unique hot and spicy pepper chicken recipe that's made with freshly grounded spices along with curry leaves, making it super aromatic and flavorfully delicious. Do watch this video until end as I have shared useful tips for making the best pepper chicken and also shared pepper spice mix powder recipe which can be used in variety of dishes. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also like and share. So let's learn how to make best pepper chicken at home in an easy way. So let's start. So here I have taken 750 grams of chicken pieces with bone, which I have cleaned and washed with salt and turmeric, and to this have applied 1 lemon juice and little salt and rubbed it well. Now keep this aside for some time. And meanwhile, we will see what other ingredients we require. I have taken 8 to 10 shallots, that's small onions, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 2 to 3 inch of ginger and 2 green chilies. Now we're going to crush the ginger, garlic and green chilies in mortar and pestle, and 1 medium sized tomato we require, and we require few strands of curry leaves. Now in the spice powders, I'm going to take half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and salt as per taste. Then we require 3 dry red chilies and the main ingredient for this dish, that's freshly grounded pepper spice mix. Now let's learn how to make this. So for that I have taken 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. I have taken all 4 in equal quantity. Now we're going to dry roast them until it releases nice aroma, and then we will cool it down and grind it. You may adjust the black peppercorns as per your spice taste. Now a quick tip, you can make and store this spice mix by increasing its quantity and then use it in variety of dishes. This spice mix will stay fresh for 2 to 3 months. You can see it's dry roasted well. So at this stage you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. Upon cooling down, you may blend it in a blender. However, I prefer to crush it in mortar and pestle. So crush it into a coarse powder. Do not make it into a fine texture. This coarse texture enhances the taste and flavor of the dish. The flavorful pepper spice mix is absolutely ready. This mix can be used for any pepper based non-veg recipes. Now let's prepare pepper chicken. For that, into a heavy bottom pan add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using coconut oil to get the authentic taste. Keep flame on medium. Then we're going to roast the chicken. So placing the chicken and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Soon you will see that the chicken has turned white, and then roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been roasting for 2 to 3 minutes now and it's roasted well. Now this roasting will give a nice crispy flavor to the dish. Now remove the chickens and keep it aside. And then we're going to use the same oil in preparing the masala, as it will enhance the taste and flavor. Now keep these chicken aside and then let's move on. Now to this oil add few curry leaves and then goes in the sliced shallots, that's the small onions. Now roast this onion until it changes to light golden brown in color. If you don't have shallots, you can use 2 medium sized sliced onions. And you can see the shallots are roasted well. Now to this add freshly grounded ginger, garlic and chili paste. These freshly grounded paste and the spice mix gives an extraordinary taste to the dish. Now saute this ginger garlic paste until raw aroma goes away. I've been roasting for some time. Now to this let's add the spices. So goes in the turmeric powder, then goes in coriander powder and garam masala powder. This is my homemade garam masala which I am adding, and then goes in the pepper spice mix which we have freshly grounded. Remember, just add 3/4 quantity as we're going to keep the remaining for making a final tadka, which you'll see it later. Now add salt as per taste and mix all well. Now roast this spice mix and ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom. You will see the spices are getting too dry, so add little water and roast the spices on a low flame for around 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, do not burn the spices, just roast it for around 1 to 2 minutes on a very low flame. Now spices are well roasted, as you can see. Now to this, let's add sliced tomato. Now saute and cook the tomato until it turns soft and mushy. Now for cooking faster, I am covering and cooking it, so it took around 2 to 3 minutes. And you'll see the tomatoes have turned soft. And so are the spices are also very well cooked. Now quick tip for beginners on how to check if masala is well cooked or not. When you see the layer of oil coming out from the spices or the tomatoes, it's an indication that the masala is ready. Now to this, add the fried chicken and mix it well. Remember, chicken is almost cooked while roasting. Hence, in few minutes, our pepper chicken dish will be ready. Roast the chicken with the spices for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-low heat. Now we're going to cover and cook this chicken as it will lose out some moisture and we'll get a semi-dry masala out of it. So cover and cook. Now to enhance its flavor more, we're going to give a tadka to this dish, that's the tempering. For that, into a pan add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Keep the flame on very low and then to it add the dry red chilies and curry leaves. Remember, keep the flame on very low, otherwise it will burn. Now roast it for a few seconds and then immediately add a remaining pepper spice mix powder and roast it for a few more seconds. This tadka will not only enhance the taste and flavor but also make the dish extremely delicious. Do try to believe it. Now this tadka is ready, so switch off the flame and then pour this tempering to a simmering pepper chicken, which looks absolutely tempting. And then give a good mix. There are many ways of making pepper chicken. Try making in this way and you will truly love this dish. An extremely flavorful and a delicious pepper chicken is absolutely ready. Finally, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Serve this dish with rice, roti or Malabar paratha, and you may also serve it as a starter recipe. This is a roasted version. For making semi-gravy form, you may add little water. Do try this special pepper chicken recipe at home and enjoy with your loved ones. And do not forget to share your comments below. Hope you like this delicious recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself and stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.